Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to fix the too many attempts please try again later error on Roblox, a common login issue many players face in 2025. This usually happens when you enter the wrong password multiple times or when Roblox thinks you are boot. Don't worry, I will walk you through the step to fix it. This error pops up when you have entered the wrong password too many times. Roblox thinks there's a suspicious activity on your account, or your IP address has been flagged for making too many requests. Luckily, there are a few easy ways to fix this and get back in. Fix to wait it out. 1. The first thing you can do is simple. Wait 15 to 30 minutes. Roblox usually lifts the blocks automatically after some times. Don't keep trying to log in. That just reset the timer and makes it take longer. If you need quicker access, try switching to mobile data or another Wi-Fi network, or use a different device like your phone instead of your PC. This can bypass the IP lock and let you log in sooner. If the problem is not fixed, you can go to the three dots browser and go to the three dots to settings, scroll down and go to the settings, and here you can see the privacy and security, and to check to clear the browsing data, select cookies and other site data, then clear it, delete and restart the browser and try again. If you think you have been locked out due to too many wrong attempts, go to the Roblox login page and click forget password or username and enter your email or phone number, then follow the instruction to reset your password. This refresh your login session and often clears the error. Hope you are enjoying this video and it will help you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.